always the first preference is item level. If the item level is empty, it will default from the next level. Okay. But currently, it is not possible to edit here because this attribute is controlled at the master org level. Currently, we are in the inventory ordination. So go back to the master ordination and update the attribute at the master org level. Specifications and purchasing, and from the receiving, I'm selecting unordered receipts to yes. Yellow unordered receipts to yes. Save it. Okay, now you can fetch this item in the screen. It will come, it will appear. Okay, click on OK. How much quantity? 10 quantity. 10 quantity. Okay, and you are able to just receive to your location. That's it. In case of unordered receipt, you are able to receive to the location. You are not able to perform the delivery. Delivery you are able to perform after the PO. I am selecting the receiving location. Create receipt and enter the supplier from which supplier you received the stock. Enter the supplier and click on the submit button. Okay. So receipt number 8 created. As I mentioned, we are not able to perform the delivery step without the PO. Now create a PO. Now create a PO. Okay. And let's duplicate and create a PO to save the time. I'm duplicating and creating the PO. Okay. So I'm creating a PO with 10 quantity. PO number 7. Now we have to match the receipt with the PO. We have to do the matching after the PO approval. Okay, it's approved. Go to match unordered receipt. And if you don't remember the receipt number, enter the item or supplier. I am entering the item. So select the line and click on the match. And enter the PO. Which PO you want to match? Enter the PO PO number 7 is not displaying. It could be because it has multiple schedules. Maybe that could be the reason. Because here 3, 3, 3, 4 multiple schedules are there. But PO3 is displaying here. PO3. PO number 3 might have only one schedule. Let's see. This is PO number 3. And the quantity, oh, that is the issue. Understood, team? We have performed receiving already. And the new PO that we created, it has multiple schedules. That's it not displaying there. Okay, we'll match with PO number 3. And to which line you would like to match? And what is the schedule? The total 10 quantity we are matching with. We are matching with this schedule. Okay. And click on the submit button. After the matching step, we can perform the delivery. Now system will allow you to perform the delivery step. From the task list, click on the put away. And enter the PO number and select the line and click on the put away. So 10 quantity we are sending to the sub inventory. Clear? Unordered receipt functionality clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Oh. So this PO number 3, we matched with a receipt, right? So the received quantity should update. If you click on refresh, and if you click on view details, so see here, received amount is updated, received and delivered amount. And this is the receipt number. Okay. Now, what is the current header status? Open only. And what is the line status? Line status also open only, because this line is still open for receiving the stock. Okay. When this line status changed to closed for receiving, once you receive the total quantity, the line status changed to closed for receiving. Okay. Suppose you don't want to receive the remaining quantity. You don't want to receive the remaining quantity. In that case, you can directly close this PO. Go to actions and click on close. You can close the line. You can close a particular line, or you can close the entire PO. How to close a particular line? Go to actions and click on the close button. Or else, if you want to close entire PO, go to actions and close it. There is something called finally close. Finally close means once you finally close this PO, you are not able to perform many changes further. But if you just close it, you can reopen also. And you can close only for the receiving step. You can close only for the receiving step. You can close for the invoicing, or you can close for the both. You can forcefully close your PO. So see the PO status closed. Line status also closed. So if it is closed, if you wanted to reopen, you can reopen. Go to actions. You can click on the reopen. And you want to reopen to which stage? You want to reopen to receiving stage or invoicing stage? To which stage you want to reopen? I would like to reopen for the receiving stage. Click on OK. See the status? So you can reopen to the invoicing step. You can reopen to the receiving step. But if you finally close the PO, you are not able to perform anything. You are just simply finally closing the PO. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And from the actions, if you want, you can temporarily keep the PO on hold. And to cancel the PO, you can see cancel option is there. And if you click on view document history, you can see the approval history. If you click on the change history, you'll see the change order number. If you click on the revision history, you'll see the revision number and revision details and revision information you can see from here. Okay. Suppose not just one PO, if you have a lot of POs to, close, there are almost more than 1,000 POs are there, which you want to close. Why you want to close? Because we received partial quantity for those POs, and we are not going to receive remaining quantity. That's why we would like to close all those POs. So how to close POs in bulk? There is a beautiful feature called ADFDI for this. So you see here, close schedules in spreadsheet. So we can connect our application to the ADFDI. And then in the ADFDI, by using the ADFDI, we can close our POs in bulk. So as I mentioned, I'm using another laptop today. I think ADFDI is not installed in this laptop. Let me try. I'm not sure. Okay, I would like to pull the POs which I created from August 1st to till today. I would like to pull all of those POs and click on create. This is the template, and yeah, I think it's installed in this laptop also. So August month POs I am downloading August month POs. Click on enable editing. Okay, in this range from August 1st to 7th August, in this 1 week, we created all these POs. But this PO, it is showing 2 lines, 2 records. Why it is showing 2 records? Because it is 2 schedules. This PO number 1 containing the 2 schedules. So see here, line is only 1, but you see here, schedule 1 and schedule 2. That's why it is displaying 2 rows. Okay. Suppose, if you wanted to, currently the status is, open, you see. This PO2 schedule status is open. If you wanted to close, you can close. How to close it? Go to actions and click on the close. Go to actions, click on the close. And you want to close this PO also, close it. Simple, right?
Yes, sir.
Reason. Enter the reason also. I am closing PO number 1 and PO number 2. Both these 2 POs are having multiple schedules. I am closing all the schedules. Okay. And click on the upload button. Now you see the status, the row updated successfully. Now you can check in the application. The PO number 1 and PO number 2 is closed or not, you can check in the application. Includes closed document, select yes, because our PO is closed. So see the status is closed. You can view the history. If you open the PO, if you go to actions and click on the document history, you can see here clearly what is the last action is close and who performed it and what is the reason. Clear?
Yes.
So this is closing
Yes.
the schedules, nothing but closing the POs in bulk using the ADFDI. Okay.
Krishna, here close means finally close. I mean, fully close.
No, just close only.
After that, we had to perform the receiving, invoicing, and then, right? This line is just closed.
So if it is closed, if you want to perform receiving and invoicing, you have to reopen the PO. Closed
Okay.
means you don't want to do anything. That's why you are closing it.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So today we completed with ASL. ASL is completed and we are done with the receipt routing methods. And we are done with the returns, corrections, and unordered receipts is completed. And I just finished with this one, purchase order schedule flows using the ADFDA process. Okay. So in the purchasing module, we are left with this topic, automatic email communication, this one in the purchasing module. And we are left with what else? Yeah, this one BPM notifications. And after that, I'll show you the approvals. Approvals, nothing but employee supervisor hierarchy. And we'll discuss the job level hierarchy. So once I explain these two, we are done with the purchasing module. And we'll go back to the SSP. In the SSP, we have to discuss about local catalog and punch out catalog. So in the next 5 to 6 classes, we are able to complete these 2 modules, SSP module and purchasing module. We are able to finish these 2. Any questions in today's session?
Sir, what is the difference between freeze and hold here in this PO option? It was showing under actions.
I don't remember, sir. There could be a small difference. I think in case of hold, you're not able to cancel. In case of freeze, you're able to cancel. So some small difference would be there. Okay, exactly. I don't remember.
Okay.
Okay.
I have one practice doubt, sir.
Hmm?
I have one practice doubt, sir.
Yes, sir. Ask me.
So when I am submitting PO, I am getting an error, sir. I have shared an email.
Yes, sir. There's a different error.
And I'm only getting with PO. When I'm submitting agreement, I'm not getting this error.
Okay. So you're creating this PO from the requisition, right?
Yes, no, not from requisition.
You're creating this PO directly?
Directly, yes.
Okay. Did you verify all the 3 accounts got populated?
Yes, sir, that I'll check.
This PO you're creating from the agreement, did you try it with any direct?
Yeah, direct. I've also tried some same error I'm getting.
Mhm.
Currency.
Currency, it should default, sir. You should enter the currency in the procurement business function options. It will default from there to here.
INRs.
Can you tell me one sample item?
Capital Cecil SHIR underscore RM1.
This is your inventory ordination.
Yes.
Load the agreement I'm creating.
Yes.
Every one of you facing the same error? Anyone tried with the PO creation in this instance?
No, sir.